So, ayun na nga, may kumakalat na video na nagla-lockout. Pero, due to my curiosity, may nakita akong source na it was just for content. And yes, it was just for content. And I'll show you my screenshot kung saan ko nakita yung owner ng video. And also the translation kasi siya, Indonesian vlog. So ayan yung nakasulat sa baba sa YouTube video, Indonesian text siya. So inask ko si ChatGPT and ayan yung translation. So it's purely fictional and for entertainment purposes only. So ayan lang guys. Thanks for watching.